Do you feel clicking sound from your knee joint? Don't worry because you are not alone. Clicking sound from joints is a common complaint, however, as long as it is not accompanied by pain and limitation in range of motion, which if exists should be assessed by a physician or physiotherapist, has not clinical importance and may indicate a special form of joint, early stages of arthrosis, or releasing nitrogen gas. But strengthening stabilizer muscles of joint, which is oblique fibers of vastus medialis here, located in inner side of the knee, helps to have more smooth movement. Any weight-bearing exercise of lower body, including different forms of squat, lunge, and leg press, can activate this muscle, but the sumo squat lines the body at the direction of these fibers and is a perfect option for it. If you want to learn exercises for other joints, watch the next short.